Okay, my name is Zagalen Kosimalwane, MEC for Community Safety in Gauteng. Today, the 23rd of November, we decided to come here as the government of Gauteng to reclaim Rhodes Park as a community park. This beautiful park, beautiful space that has been abandoned by the community because of them being scared of using it, because criminals have just decided to turn this place as a hub for criminal activities. We were here with the community of Kissington and other regions in Gauteng to say enough is enough. Let's take back our park. Let's make sure that the abuse that happens in this park come to an end. We're also here to launch our program for 16 days of activism that starts on the 25th of November until the 10th of November. There are quite a number of activities that will happen in our province. Our message this year is that let's reclaim our space. Let's make sure that our women and children are safe in our province. Our province must be a child safety, a safe province. But also let's ask men and boys to lead in this campaign, because women and children don't abuse themselves, don't rape themselves. They are raped by other men. So our men, our good men in this province need to say, not in our name. We want to be counted in fighting against the abuse of our vulnerable groups. We also want to ask those that experience abuse on a daily basis in their houses, in their homes, in institutions of higher learning, to use Ikayale Temba as a home, a safety home for those that experience abuse on a daily basis. We have the numbers that people can use, and as well as the SMS. If you are experiencing abuse, use this number 011-242-3000, or you SMS your name and number and address if you are unable to leave the place. The SMS number is 32026 that anyone who's experiencing any abuse can use in order to be safe in our province. Hashtag the abuse of women and children must fall in Gauteng. Thank you very much.